Welcome. I'm Terri Conrad with Bloom True, and this is Mindful Mondays. Today, I have an expressive arts watercolor painting session prepared for you with the theme of loving kindness, a loving kindness meditation for ourselves and for one another. What I would like you to do as we begin is to place your hand on your chest over your heart and your other hand on your belly. Just take a moment and inhale through your nose, breathing in for a count of 4. Hold that breath for a count of 4. And then gently exhale, blowing through your mouth for a count of 6. You may want to repeat this breathing practice. And as you do, see if you can feel your shoulders drop and your body relax, and your mind and your body be connected and present in this moment. And now, the meditation of loving kindness toward yourself. Repeat either out loud or silently. May I be happy. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. And then we extend our loving kindness toward others. You may think of someone that you care about or someone that you're having a difficult time with, and extend loving kindness toward them, saying, may you be happy, may you be safe, may you be healthy, and may you live with ease. Go ahead and take in another deep inhale and exhale. Let's begin our painting practice. In today's session, I am just using copy paper, printer paper. I laid a very light layer of gesso on top of the paper and taped it down to my table so that it won't move about as I'm painting. And these are the 2 watercolor sets that I'm using. They're filled with blues and greens and some earthy golds. And you'll see a little bit further in the session where I bring in just a touch of orange as well. I've got my mechanical pencil and I'm just going to kind of activate the page and draw some lines. And as if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I tend to begin on the right and move toward the left because I'm left-handed and it's just the way I work. I have a round brush, I have my rinse water and paper towels set down next to me, as you can see. And I think I might want to start with a flat brush. And again, I'm getting my brush very wet and then going to load the paint onto the brush. And you always want to activate your watercolors by spritzing them with water, and that will allow you to begin painting with them. So I've got this kind of muted blue, and I'm just beginning to make strokes. And what I want to show you here is with that light layer of gesso laid down and then allowed to fully dry, it creates these really unique layers when you begin to lay down the watercolor, as you can notice by those first couple of marks that I've made. Now, I'm going to begin quieting my voice and playing some soothing, comforting music, and you can follow along and paint with me. This is a purely expressive, intuitive painting experience. There are no right or wrong strokes. There are no right or wrong colors to be using. I want you to be motivated by and inspired by what loving kindness feels like for you when you express it toward yourselves, when you express it toward one another, and what does it feel like when someone expresses loving kindness toward you? And just lay those paint strokes down on your paper, connecting with your brush, connecting with the colors, connecting with the strokes and the marks that you make, and connecting with the feeling of loving kindness. I hope you enjoy this practice, and as we come to a close, I'll pop in again and share something more with you. I hope you had fun with this expressive arts painting session. Again, I'm Terri Conrad with Bloom True, and this is Mindful Mondays. Be sure to click that little happy hand that gives me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love hearing from those who've seen my videos. And if you have something of interest that you want me to develop an art video on, please leave a comment or reach out via email. And if you're on Instagram, follow me there at bloom_true and also at Terri Conrad Designs, the other side of my creative business. And do subscribe to my channel here at Bloom True so that we can create meaningful mixed media art and watercolor as a powerful and transformative means of self-care. You'll discover how to nurture a compassionate and encouraging inner voice as you create, and you'll even grow in confidence, both personally and artistically. Thanks again for being here, and let loving kindness be your guide this week.